7 minus 2 equals 5. And here we have 7 minus 8, which equals -1. So 5 times -1 equals -5. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to go from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one parenthesis, one multiplication, and the one subtraction. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have 7 minus 2, which equals 5. So 5 times 7 minus 8. Now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 7 equals 35. So 35 minus 8, which equals 27. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 27.